Alright guys, got a little update here. Did my starter at, let's see, what are we at, like 175 hours. Got my new starter in. It was a kind of a pain in the butt. It wasn't terrible, but as you know, as I'm sure if you research this, you basically gotta undo all the engine mounts and take out the swing arm bolt, and that way, oh, and I took out the carburetor as well. I didn't drain any of the coolant or take off any of the coolant hoses, but taking out the carburetor and all the other engine mounting bolts, I was able to pry the engine up with a pry bar and get the starter motor out. So I got that swapped out. I used a factory beta one. Yeah, we'll see how long it lasts. The original lasted me a while. Here's the original. It's totally shot. It doesn't even spin anymore. I don't know. I might send this out and get it rebuilt just to have spare on hand. I also changed the Bendix out because why not? I used a Vespa Bendix from scooterwest.com. This is the information and the part number. Yeah. And had an oopsie when I was trying to remove my flywheel to replace the Bendix. Like an idiot, I used a jaw type puller instead of the legit flywheel puller, and I busted off one of the welds on the ring gear. So I figured, screw it, I'll just use it, use that finger puller. I busted the other welds off of the flywheel and just pulled the ring gear off. It was a little warped, but I was able to flatten it back out with a press, little by little, and pretty happy with how it turned out. And I then when I had the ring gear off, I was able to get those fingers behind the flywheel and then pop that off the rest of the way. And then I welded the ring gear back on, and it works. As you can see, I busted off a little piece there, but I don't know, I think it'll be fine. I've already hit the starter and made sure it spins the engine over, so that's all good. I don't know, I mean, this is a 2014, so it vibrates quite a bit already. So I don't think the flywheel's really gonna mess anything up. I did grind my welds down just to remove the excess material. But yeah, I'm sure some other people will run into that same issue. And don't lose hope. It can be fixed. I just used a regular MIG welder. It should be totally fine. So yeah, going back together now. Happy to have a starter again after not for a little while. I did a hard enduro race with kickstart only, and that sucked. So I am excited to be using that button once again. And as I posted in another video, I also fixed my pipe. That came out pretty good. Happy with that. So yeah, beta's coming back together, slowly but surely. Until next time.